SEO, or search engine optimization, is all about getting your website to the top of Google's search results. It's crucial for driving organic traffic and increasing sales. There are three key components. On-page SEO focuses on optimizing your content and keywords. Off-page SEO builds your site's authority through backlinks, and technical SEO ensures your site runs smoothly. Start with keyword research. Tools like Google Keyword Planner can help you find the right long-tail keywords with less competition. Once you have your keywords, sprinkle them in your title, URL, and early content. High-quality, engaging content is a must. Don't forget about building authority. Get backlinks from reputable sites and share your content on social media. Lastly, optimize your site's speed and ensure it's mobile-friendly. Follow these steps and you'll be well on your way to ranking #1 on Google. SEO, or search engine optimization, is all about getting your website to the top of Google's search results.